Welcome everyone. This video will be a little bit different because it's quite sad. On the 30th of July 2025, I was diagnosed with aggressive breast cancer. On the 31st, my beautiful boy, Elvis, passed away. Two very, very traumatic days for me. My diagnosis and having to say goodbye to my beautiful little boy. I miss him so much. My journey started with various types of tests. This one here is a PET scan and I am terrified. I suffer from claustrophobia. So of course I had my therapy baby with me, Pia, and all the staff at Fiona Stanley Hospital were fantastic. They helped me through it. They allowed me to close my eyes. They played Elvis music through the whole procedure, which calmed me down, obviously. But I went into it not knowing what the machine looked like. Probably I wouldn't have done it if I would have seen it. That's why you see me with my eyes covered. But they were amazing, very amazing in helping me in everything. God bless them. And yes, that was the beginning of everything. And then the next thing was to have my hair cut because they told me I was going to lose my hair because of the chemo. So I didn't want to see it fall out. So I went to my hairdresser and she did it. And there it is. My long hair was cut. I kept my ponytail and got myself organized and ready for the journey that I was about to take. Well, what can I say? It was a bit cold. I had to put a beanie on. Well, thank you for listening so far. Stay tuned for part 2.